Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve easy fat loss. To begin, focus on creating a modest calorie deficit, perhaps 300 to 500 calories below your maintenance. This approach is more sustainable than drastic cuts. Next, ensure your diet is rich in protein. This helps you feel full and protects your muscle as you lose fat. Finally, include strength training sessions about 3 times a week to build or maintain muscle, which boosts your metabolism. For simple nutrition, prioritize whole, unprocessed foods like lean meats, vegetables, and fruits. These foods are nutrient-dense and keep you feeling full longer, reducing cravings. Hydration is also key. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout your day. This supports metabolism and can help manage hunger. Consider tracking your food for a few days. It provides valuable insight into your eating patterns without needing to be a long-term commitment. Beyond structured workouts, boosting your daily activity is crucial. Try to increase your steps, aiming for 8,000 to 10,000 each day. This adds significant calorie burn. Quality sleep is another powerful tool for fat loss, so prioritize 7 to 9 hours nightly to optimize hormone function. Lastly, find effective ways to manage stress, as high stress levels can hinder your progress by impacting cortisol and other metabolic processes. Remember, consistency truly is the most important factor in fat loss. Don't strive for perfection every single day. Instead, focus on making good choices most of the time. Celebrate your small victories along the way, whether it's hitting a new step goal or sticking to your meal plan for a week. These small wins build momentum and keep you motivated. Also, for those looking to simplify their healthy eating, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.